Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is noswaith, which means evening. Noswaith, as in noswaith da, good evening. Noswaith, evening.